So I picked up this 60% RGB mechanical keyboard from Amazon for really cheap. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing my experience using this keyboard for the past week. What's up guys, it's Ryan here with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing my experience using a 60% mechanical keyboard. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next video. So I was searching for a mechanical keyboard on Amazon and came across this one for just $15. Well, $30 because I was able to get a 50% discount, but I'm not sure if that discount is still available. But you guys could definitely check, because a lot of keyboards go on sale from time to time. This mechanical keyboard was an off-brand keyboard, but upon checking the brand name, I realized that the keyboard was manufactured by Anker. So I decided, why not check it out? Unboxing the keyboard was nothing special, as the keyboard was in this simple box wrapped in plastic, along with a USB-C to USB-A cable and a user manual. The keyboard looked and felt really good, despite there being limited information about the keyboard. The setup instructions was very simple, and if you didn't feel like using the instruction, you could just use the USB adapter that came with the keyboard. However, you can use the keyboard in Bluetooth mode, or you could use it in wired mode if you choose to. On the left side of the keyboard, you will find two toggle switch that allows you to turn the keyboard on and off, as well as putting the keyboard into Bluetooth 1 or Bluetooth 2 mode. There are two lights on the side of the keyboard. One of the lights shows up green when the keyboard is paired. The other light has a battery sign above it. On the bottom of the keyboard, you'll find a sticker labeled Wireless Multi-Mode Keyboard. There's also 2 feet at the back of the keyboard that allows you to adjust the angle of the keyboard. There's also a slot on the bottom of the keyboard that you can store the USB connector that comes with the keyboard. After pairing the keyboard by toggling both switches to the correct setting, you can adjust the backlight brightness, color, and effect with the use of the FN button, along with plus, minus, 9, and 8. To adjust the backlight effect, you would press and hold the FN2 button and press 9. However, to adjust the backlight color, you would press and hold FN2 and then press 8. On the other hand, adjusting the backlight brightness, you would press and hold the FN2 button and press plus or minus. You can also turn off the backlight completely by pressing FN2 and 0. Pretty great features for such a budget keyboard. The keyboard has a 1600 mAh battery and is set to last 10 hours of non-stop typing and 360 hours of standby time. It has a 10-minute auto sleep feature and is charged via USB-C. The fact that the keyboard is a small form factor keyboard makes it very portable. It is also very responsive when typing on it, which I think is a result of its blue switches. The RGB makes the keyboard look great on your desk along with your other peripherals. So this is my first time typing on a mechanical keyboard, and honestly, this is one of the best typing experience I've ever had. And the RGB colors that goes across the keyboard while typing makes the experience a lot more pleasing. But here comes the kicker. The fact that it's a 60% keyboard, the number keys doubles as the function keys. There are also no arrow keys, so no moving up, down, left or right without the use of your mouse. And the icing on the cake is that this keyboard is labeled for a PC, but I'm trying to use it on a Mac. But I guess you get what you pay for. And for just $15, I would say you get a really good RGB keyboard, just not a perfect one. But the big question is, should you buy this keyboard? Well, if you're on a budget and you're looking for a small form factor keyboard with great typing experience, great battery life, and has RGB, and you're used to typing on a 60% keyboard, then this keyboard is for you. You can pair this keyboard with your iPad, Mac, or PC and have a great typing experience. Well guys, that's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.